In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see access history in Google Drive. If you've ever wondered who has viewed or interacted with your shared files, then this guide is for you. It's a simple process that can help you keep track of your file's audience, ensuring your data is shared appropriately. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Google Drive account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive login page. Enter your credentials. Make sure that you're signed in with the correct Google account and hit Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all of your files stored on Google Drive. Next, from your list of files, select the specific file for which you want to view the access history. Simply hover over the file with your mouse and click to highlight it. This indicates that you've selected the file you'll be working with. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 vertical dots. These represent more options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options listed, you'll want to select Share. Click on it, and a sharing settings window will pop up. This is where you'll find all the essential details related to your file's access history. Within this window, look for People with Access. Clicking here will allow you to see who currently has permissions to view or edit the file. This area gives you a snapshot of all individuals or groups, providing a straightforward way to understand your file's audience. You can see the names or email addresses of those with access and any changes made by them, offering transparency and control over your shared data. Once you've reviewed the access information and made any necessary adjustments, simply click Done to close the sharing settings window. You can revisit this menu anytime you wish to check or change the access rights for your file. And that's all there is to it. Finding out who has access to your Google Drive files is a quick and easy task, but it can give you important insights into how your information is being shared. By following these steps, you can ensure that your files are only being accessed by the right people, maintaining both privacy and security for your data. Remember, it's always a good practice to periodically review access settings, especially for sensitive documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further